with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got the first order. This is going to be Subway going 6 miles. Thank you. Please bring around the back of the apartment, blue patio tent with lots of lights. Our back patio is basically the main entrance to our apartment due to how the buildings are organized on the property. It's the last driveway in the complex, not the first one, suggested by DoorDash. Oh my, it keeps going and going. Okay, I will figure it out, I guess. I don't even want to say how many laps I did around that building. All that for a 50-cent tip, by the way. Total ended up being $7. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 4 miles. This is supposed to be open. Is it open? Of course not.
Good morning. We'll be using your mobile app today.
Got a DoorDash pickup.
Where'd you code?
F15.
I see it. Go ahead.
Yep. Thank you. You too. I need a gate code, and have they graciously provided one? Of course not. Then check the other entrance just in case that one's left open. Of course not.
Access granted.
Nowhere to park. Love that. And of course this is going upstairs. Zero tip for that. Total ended up being $3 and change. These orders are really testing my patience today. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. This is Cecil Bagel and Starbucks going 11 miles. Bro, open the gates!
Here you are.
Thank you. I didn't realize I was going to this Starbucks. I literally drove by it to get to this place. This would be a single drink that I have to hold the entire way there. Total for that was $14 and change. Was that worth it? I mean, at this point, with how today's going, sure. Just got the next order. This is McDonald's going just under 5 miles.
Have a good day.
433?
433?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Voodoo Donut and Black Rock Coffee going 6 miles. Thank you. You too.
I hope you have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah, thanks. We'll see ya. I appreciate you.
Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, I like that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Total for that was $17. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $7 going 5 miles, 2 items.
Well, if you have your club card.
Got the next order. This is IHOP going 8 miles.
It's nice to meet you. He wasn't happy. Nobody talked to him.
There's only 2 of us. We haven't talked to anyone yet.
I know.
Welcome in. There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was like a 15-minute wait, if not more. But at least I wasn't like that psychopath that was yelling at the workers right before I turned on my camera. This day has gone back to testing my patience. 0 tip on that one. Total was $9. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell going 2.5 miles. Yeah, for Blanca.
This one right here, have a good one.
You too. This is going to the Home Depot, which is in the same plaza, so almost guaranteed no tip on this. For Blanca?
Yeah.
Did I call it or did I call it? $2 and change. I'm going back to Taco Bell for another $2 order. Taco Bell is right there. Probably can't see it because of the trees, but it's right there. Thank you. You too. Please do not knock or ring regular doorbell. Our very dumb hamster dog will bark like he's just seen a real dog stealing his treats for 30 minutes. Please leave food on porch and push the video doorbell button. Thank you so much. Okay. Total for that order was $6 and change. Next up, we've got Muchas Gracias going 9 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $13. I gotta drive most of the way back, so not really too great. Finally got the next order. This is Black Rock Coffee going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. That was a no tip. Total for that was $2 and change. I don't know. I'm over it. Current time's 9:33. Total, we're at 89. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.